Okay, good morning, good morning. Out for another hike, of course. Never been here before. Supposed to be some canyons I'm going hiking through. Maybe not like super deep like in Utah and Arizona, but I don't know. Probably would be deep enough here, steep enough. Went down a pretty steep and winding road to get here, so we'll see. I've always wanted to come here, but I've never been. So we'll definitely have to check it out. Well, looks like we're already gonna start climbing the sides, so let's see how this goes. Well, that was quickly steep. Whew, that was an incline. They even put straw on the side of the path. I guess for when it gets wet or too muddy, they can just kick it over. So maybe there can be some traction. Whew. That was abruptly steep, but looks like that was only the first climb. So this might be fun. This is interesting. Oh well, oh, that was a bigger step than I thought. Guess we're going back down the side. At least it's a nice, cool morning. Probably about 50 degrees, maybe like 52. Really nice though. Oh, okay. So, do I go down there, or is the trail over here? Very peculiar. Oh, that's pretty. Hopefully the camera picks it up okay. Oh, looks like the trail continues over here. Very nice. Dang, I just slipped on a slick rock and busted my butt bad. Oh, that hurts. I don't think anything's broken. Always remember to tuck your head, kids, when you fall. If you're falling backwards, tuck your head. Oh, gosh. Yeah, that hurt. Oh. Didn't get this one on camera, thank goodness, because it was a lot rougher than the other slip. Oh, jeez. Oh, alright, but I'm still alive. Trying to find the trail. Went, I don't know, it was over here. Couldn't find where the trail went. There was a marker saying go one way, but that was the way I just came from, but there's no marker for the other way. So I was looking around, saw some footprints back this way, so decided to follow them. And that eventually, about a quarter mile down, led to a dead end. And that's where I busted my butt. So, I don't know. Maybe the other one's around here somewhere. Also, saw this for quite a ways. I don't know if it used to be a fence, or if they're putting it down for traction in wet weather. Maybe for like horses or something, I don't know. It started here. It goes down that way quite a bit. So, alright. Check in a minute. Alright, so it turns out this second way was the way to go. So, at least it wasn't too bad to get lost and find. So, it's always a plus. Oh! There's a hole underneath that step. Covered by leaves. Boy, I'm having a heck of a time on this hike. Almost twisting my knee, falling, busting my butt. In case anybody's wondering, what I'm carrying today is the Tops Brothers of Bushcraft Fieldcraft folder. Nice little bow drill divot there. Pretty stout blade, made in the USA, of course. I don't know if I would use it to baton any logs, but anything else, I think it's pretty good. Definitely very stout blade. I've got the fixed blade version of this as well. I've had it for a few years. Works phenomenal. So that's nice. It also comes with a leather sheath that you can carry on your belt. I didn't bring that with me this time, and the pocket clip is removable and reversible for left-hand and right-hand carry, so that's really nice. You know, maybe one of these days I'll get around to doing knife reviews. But as I said before, it's just not really my thing to go through all these tests. Just kind of use them when I use them, and maybe I'll videotape them when I use them. I don't get to camp much, so I don't get to show you much usage out of them. As you can see, I do a lot more hiking than camping right now. So I wish I could do more usage stuff, and I'm just not really into sitting in the backyard with a block of wood and saying, hey, look at this, look what it can do. Just, I don't know, it's not my thing. I think it's too formulaic really quickly. So I don't think I would really be into that. I mean, I tried it a little bit for some footage that I may or may not publish, but it wasn't for me. Well, alright. Gotta get back to my vehicle. That trail was supposed to be, I think, 2.3 miles. I don't know, that seemed a lot shorter than that. Plus I took a shortcut somewhere, I don't know. Felt pretty quick. Anyway, see y'all next time.